All right, we got all kinds of things going on here. So I went to Tractor Supply and I got these 16-foot cattle panels. And as you can see, because of the way I put them in my truck, they did not come out exactly as oval as I'd like them. But I secured them in place, and I got cucumbers here. I moved my tomatoes over here, and I planted lots of beans right along here and up along this whole fence. So my goal is, as I'm sure you can imagine, is to just start growing my veg up and over and whatnot. And I got two more over there, which I'll get to. I'll use them. Probably come down here and put a couple more. I planted a lot of just cover crop, some flowers, some spinach, some kale in here, because as I get two more of these up and I get things growing up, they'll shade. So I just got a lot of seeds down because I actually bought a bunch in bulk. And then my garden over here is doing pretty good. Everything seems like it's coming in. I got a lot of wood chips on it. And then this side over here, I need to double these up and make them bigger. So they dry out real quick because, well, they're in the sun completely. So I need to plant more, oh God, neighbor's firing something up over there. So anyways, I'll cut this short, just showing you what I got going on in the garden beds right here. Just keeping it going and working. And then I'll show you my aquaponics project here in a little bit.